Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the bash scripting. So today we are going to learn how to create a new file for writing the bash scripting, how to assess the bash script, and how to print the hello world in that bash script. Okay, so we are going to learn this one. So first of all, to you need to create this file by using the touch command, touch test.sh with the folder, right? After using that folder, this file will create. After creating this folder, you need to include the bash script, so you need to add this hash, this one, hash operation. After that, you need to give the path of that bin bash where it is located. Then you need to write echo hello world or any of the text, right? When you go and save this, then how to run this file, how to execute this file. To execute this file, what we have to do, we have to go and check with this one, one dot slash test dot sh, then enter this. Then it will, whatever you are going to write over here, it will go with there. And if I go with writing here, write echo, right? Here I'm going to write the npm install. Okay, it will print that npm install, right? You can see that. Okay, if you want to execute this command, npm install, right? Basically its echo is basically the print command, right? If you want to execute this npm install any of the package dot create a folder, all of these things, so we can also use this bash scripting to do that process also. In coming videos, in the later videos, we are going to do all of this stuff, right? So I hope you understand how to create a file. So basically, to create a file, you need to just write touch, right? Whatever file, like test one, like demo dot sh, right? You can do this. If you go and check this is demo dot sh file, right? And you can start writing over it like the test dot sh file, okay? And then you can do the process of the rest of that, right? And how to access this file, you need to just add this demo.sh. This is the phenomena, right? That you have to follow. So I hope you understand what exactly we have done. Any doubt, any query, let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day. Don't forget to like, share, and comment on my video. Have a nice day.